Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Fairphone for 5G. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. In order to do that, click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, Confirm, Continue, Allow. Following that, in this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK and tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Fairphone. Finally, go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Fairphone. Then, you need to allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Finally, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!